What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I'm kinda loving my multi-purpose Barbie room. Right now, we are going to clear it out and turn it into a bedroom. Here is a new Barbie playset I bought from Walmart. It was $29.99. There are 15 plus pieces that are showcased on the back of the box. We have seen most of these items before in different colors. Some assembly is required. This playset comes with a twin-size bed. It has molded sheets. The bottom of the bed has a little texture. There is a starburst headboard, a rectangle of fabric that has printed pom-poms, can be placed on the bed for covers. Another inch or two added to the side and the bottom would have been nice, in my opinion. We get a pink plastic pillow that is hollow on the back. I would have loved to have seen a fabric pillow, but this one does lay nice and neat. We've seen this bed before, only it had a gold headboard and an orange nightstand. This time we get a blue one. There are holes in the top so we can attach Barbie accessories, like a lamp. It's kind of a gold color, a small potted plant in a pink pot, and a small yellow clock. It has a little faux drawer on the front. I'm gonna take a small piece of gold contact paper and cut a very thin rectangle and place it over the sculpted handle for a little more detail. We get a small white cat who is fast asleep. Its eyes are painted closed, we can see some eyelashes, and it has a pink nose. There's a vanity with a mirror. The legs are brown like wood. The counter is pink and there is a white drawer. The drawer can open, however mine does stick a little, but I like that we get a little storage. And it says Barbie. A blue mirror. It is a little wobbly, but I like that it's reflective. There are 5 places on the top that can hold accessories, like this potted plant with a little texture on the pot. I like this design. It looks pretty cute. There's a purple lotion bottle, a yellow tube, a small peach jar with the Barbie logo on the top, and a pink perfume bottle, giving us a little counter clutter. And if you need more, there's a yellow picture frame with a picture of flowers. Let's place it right here. There's a blue hairbrush that can go right here. A magazine, which is just an image printed on a piece of cardstock. So I guess we'll need to lay that one flat. There's a white necklace with a heart and a pink eye mask. And there's a little pink stool to match the vanity, giving us a nice little room setup. This playset also comes with a doll. Her face is a little pixelated. She has blonde hair, blue eyes, and neutral makeup. Comes with a pink plastic headband, a pink and white striped nightgown with pink elastic straps, and a ruffle at the bottom. I think this nightgown is super cute. Kinda love it. She has pink house shoes, which don't really stay on. We'll just place them by the bed. And there is a pink robe with light pink hearts. All the edges are sewn. The pattern continues around the back, and there is an attached belt. Love it! I think it's a very cute little robe that goes perfectly with the nightgown. Loving the little heart theme. The only thing is, the doll has the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Personally, I don't think the doll itself is needed. Clothes and accessories, yes. But if dropping the doll would lower the price, I would be all for it. Because we have Barbie fashionistas. This is doll 208. I bought her on Amazon for $10.99. This is a very special Barbie because Barbie worked closely with the National Down Syndrome Society to create a Barbie doll with Down syndrome. I went to their website and learned that this doll has a new face and body sculpt to represent women with Down syndrome. The yellow and blue on her dress and butterflies are symbols that represent Down syndrome awareness. The 3 chevrons on her necklace represent the 3 copies of the 21st chromosome. She wears ankle and foot supports that match her outfit, giving us a doll that furthers inclusivity. I picked this doll up at Walmart for $19.99. I also got this one. They have a beach theme, and it looks like they have more articulation than the basic 5. On the back, we can see the dolls and the items included. Let's take them out of the box for a closer look. Okay, we do have some articulation here. It looks about the same as the Barbie the movie Ken. He can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. So yeah, looks pretty much the same to me. You know, I wouldn't be mad if this is the basic articulation that we see on our dolls. Even though ankles would make it even sweeter, and made to move would be better. But I'm okay with compromising. This Ken has blonde hair, blue eyes, a good face screening, wears a blue tank top with palm trees. It is solid in the back and has Velcro. He has orange shorts with an elastic waistband, a blue watch, and white flip-flops that are a little loose. He comes with a pale seafoam green sling bag, black sunglasses, a volleyball, orange frisbee, blue visor. It's the same one that comes with the Make and Sell boutique. He also has sunblock, a popsicle, blue water bottle, and a little camera. It looks like a GoPro. Can we remove it? Yeah, we can. Now he can record all his surfing adventures. Because yes, he comes with a surfboard that you do need to take care when you remove it from the doll. Otherwise, you might scratch his feet. He also comes with a blue towel and a dog. Ooh, love the bathing suit. Out of the box, her hair looks a little different than the pictures on the back. It still has a little curl to it, but we're definitely getting some box hair. But I do love the color. It's a brownish red. She has painted edges and comes with a pink plastic headband. Her face screening is shiny and pixelated. She comes with a pink headband that looks like it's tied in the front. She wears a 2-piece bathing suit that's pink and orange and has elastic straps and elastic around the waist. It's finished all the way around, and she wears a blue bracelet. This doll has the same articulation as the Ken doll, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. We get a pink surfboard with a little blue and white. We also get an orange life jacket with the Barbie logo on the chest and a camera. We get a watch with some details. Bananas and a water bottle, a pink stereo, a frisbee, sunglasses, sunblock, and a pink towel. Oh yeah, and a dog. We can add a few of these accessories to our room and maybe even use the towel as a small rug. But those are a few Barbie items that you might see currently on the shelves. Personally, I like this bed design, but I would like to see an upgrade with the bedding and fabric pillows. On the vanity, I would have loved for the frame around the mirror and the picture frame to have been gold. I think it just would have made it a little more glam. However, I think the blue does look good with this whole pink and blue combo. But I do love these PJs. Let us know what you think about these dolls and playsets in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some Barbie stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.